severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in California: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California, Riverside County in Southern California, North Central Orange County in Southwestern California, until 4:30 p.m. PDT. At 3:46 p.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Matthews, or 7 miles east of Corona, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anaheim, Riverside, Ontario, Corona, Orange, Chino, Yorba Linda, Chino Hills, Paris, and Norco. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. PDT for the following counties in California: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino.